This is Space Command to Zoom. All systems are go for your message to Lauren.
Hey, Lauren, it's your birthday. I'm in charge of the stars, and I'm here to say, hey, Lauren, you're the big star today. My name is Zoom, and I live on the moon, but I came down to Earth just to sing you this tune. 'Cause, Lauren, it's your birthday today. I searched behind the clouds and stars. I even zoomed my flight to Mars and met my friend, the Saucer Man, and he said,
hey, Zoom, I've got the bestest plan. What your friend needs is something new. So how about a song just from you?
And so tonight, when you're in bed, I'll be singing to you as I zoom overhead. Singing, Lauren, happy birthday. Singing, Lauren, happy birthday. Singing, Lauren, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Lauren. See you next year.